Well, I got it a few months ago, but I didn't open it. Thank you very much, Grandma. I was saving it. And now it's time to open it. So it's going to be easy to open this part here. Looks like an easy thing to open. In a little bit, I might make it fast to an opening. About... Okay, so... Hey! So you just hear Jackie say, hello. So you might hear that. You might have not, because this is actually going to be a very quick opening for today. But an awesome video. Whatever this is, says that you rocks. So I'm gonna try to even close the box. Just having this little thing. Okay, we have a little jetpack. Something, and we have to relax. It's kind of smaller than a regular one. It's a little smaller. So now like, see this little hole back. You get this little. See how there's like a little finger? Well, see that? Well, then you poke it into here. Ta-da! Here it is. Well, I'm maybe upside down, so I'll just flip that over and ta-da! Here it is. Okay, so quick video, huh? Because now it's over. Wars The Force Awakens. Yay! It came out 2 months ago. A week. So it's the next weekend after Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh!